This is the strain calculator for engineering and true strain, which calculates material deformation when subjected to loading. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have original length L0, where you enter the initial length of your material before deformation. Below that is final length L, where you input the length after deformation has occurred. These measurements should use consistent units, whether millimeters, inches, or meters. For this demonstration, I'm entering 10 for the original length L0 and 10 for the final length L. After clicking Calculate Strain, we get our results. The engineering strain shows 0.000000, which is dimensionless. This makes sense because our original and final lengths are equal, meaning no deformation occurred. The true strain also displays 0.000000, confirming no logarithmic strain. Finally, the elongation percentage reads 0.00%, indicating no change in length. When your material stretches or compresses, these values will show positive or negative results accordingly, helping you analyze material behavior under load. Find the link in the description below.